everyone, I'm Jackie, and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How to Anything. Spring is right around the corner, which means it is the ideal time to get your backyard ready for plants, for outdoor gatherings, and for the sun. And one great way to get your backyard ready for the spring and summer is by laying down mulch. So today, I'm gonna walk you step by step on letting you know what mulch is, how much to buy, and how to lay it down properly. Let's get to work. So let's talk about what mulch is. It's a variety of different materials, organic and inorganic. You lay it on top of your soil, and that is gonna help lock in moisture. It also prevents nasty weeds from growing in, and it also could protect your plants from really bad weathers or extreme temperatures, and you wanna make sure to do that. So let's talk about the difference between organic mulch and inorganic mulch. Organic mulch originates from living material like hay, pine straws, or wood. And that's gonna decompose over time and add nutrients to your soil. While inorganic mulch is made up of things like river rock, pea gravel, or rubber. And that's not gonna condition your soil, but it will be a lot less maintenance. So depending on the aesthetic of your backyard or the upkeep that you're looking for, pick whichever mulch works best for you. Today, we're gonna be laying down organic mulch that's made out of shredded wood. So this is our area that we're gonna be working in today. On this side of the yard, there's old mulch, but on this side, there's no mulch at all. We are gonna be laying down mulch in this entire space. But first, we're gonna wanna take dimensions of our yard to know exactly how much mulch to buy. And then after that, we're gonna wanna take out any weeds. You could do that by hand or by using an herbicide. I'm gonna do by hand today, so let's put these gloves on and get started. Now that we pulled out all of our weeds, we want to prevent them from coming back. How we're going to do that is we're going to be putting down this fabric weed barrier in this area where there isn't any mulch. So when it comes to laying down your fabric weed barrier, you wanna give your tree some space so that the roots can breathe. So what I've done is started cutting a circle around here to give it that space. So I'm just gonna finish that right now. All right, I finished putting down our fabric weed barrier, and now it's time to lay down our mulch. But how many bags of mulch do we need? Instead of eyeing it and maybe getting too much or not enough, I love that Lowe's has a mulch and soil calculator. So you just put in your dimensions of your space, and it tells you exactly how many bags to get. So let's do that right now. Because my area is an L shape, I took measurements for both sides, and Lowe's allows you to put in 2 areas, so that's totally fine. So let's pull up Lowes.com. And then you're just gonna pull up the mulch and soil calculator. All right, so I'm gonna put dimensions in for my first area. I'm gonna put in 15 by 12. And then the second area, 10 by 20. And then it's gonna ask you what type of soil or mulch are you using. I'm gonna put hardwood in there. And then it asks you the depth, and I'm gonna put 1 inch. Then you hit calculate, and it's letting us know we need 16 bags of mulch. So let's go ahead and grab those bags and lay them down. So when laying them down, I'm just gonna put them a couple of feet away from each other so that when we break it open, there won't be any spaces between them. Next, we're gonna go in with our utility knife to rip this open, and then we're gonna spread it out evenly with our rake. As I mentioned before, you don't want your mulch getting too close to the tree. You want to create that space so that your roots can breathe. You can do that with the donut method that you see here, where you just kind of place the mulch circular around your trunk. Or another way to prevent your mulch from coming in is with the tree ring. So I'm gonna install that. It's just an extra preventative way so that the mulch doesn't get in there. This is why I personally love using a tree ring versus the donut method, because now you see how far out your mulch really needs to be away from your trunk. All right, our first area looks fantastic. Let's go over to our second area and top it off with some fresh mulch. And last but not least, I'm going to lightly mist our mulch. Wow, our backyard looks incredible and it is officially ready for spring. If you're looking to lay down new mulch in your backyard, you can find everything you need to do it at your local Lowe's or at lowes.com. And while you're there shopping, if you have any questions about the different type of mulches, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like it and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment section below what you want to see on the next How to Anything video.